Ever wondered how to make your thumbnails more attractive? Thumbnails are crucial as they're often the first impression viewers have of your content. A visually appealing, relevant thumbnail can be the key to attracting more viewers. Now let's dive into the process of creating engaging thumbnails. The first step in creating an effective thumbnail is choosing the right image. The image should be high quality, relevant to your video content, and visually appealing. Consider factors like composition, focus, and color to make your thumbnail stand out. Once you've selected your image, it's time to add some text. The next step is adding text to your thumbnail. Select a font that's bold and easily readable, even at smaller sizes. Keep your message succinct and engaging. Remember, every word should count. With your text in place, it's time to fine-tune your thumbnail. The final step is to enhance and finalize your thumbnail. Consider using filters and adjustments to boost its visual appeal. Remember, maintaining a consistent branding and style across your thumbnails is key. And there you have it, a thumbnail that's ready to attract viewers. So let's quickly recap the steps we've covered. We started off by understanding the significance of thumbnails in the realm of video content. Thumbnails are not just mere images, they are the front door to your content, the first impression that has the power to attract viewers or let them slip away. Next, we delved into the process of creating a thumbnail, starting with choosing the right image. The image should be compelling, relevant, and visually appealing. It's the first step in the journey of crafting a thumbnail that stands out. Then, we moved on to adding text. The text should be concise, catchy, and clear, effectively communicating the essence of your video in a few words. Finally, we learned about enhancing the thumbnail. This includes adjusting colors, adding filters, and other design elements to make your thumbnail pop. Remember, an attractive thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. So put these tips to use and start creating thumbnails that draw in viewers.